I just want to share something with you that transpired in my office when I met with a client, something that I think will be helpful for many of you. So she came in here as typical with a bunch of her own signed documents. She came in with a will that she had drafted by another attorney. She came in with a healthcare proxy, a living will, and a power of attorney. So I reviewed her documents and I found an interesting document that was annexed with all of these. And I don't remember if she actually titled it in any way, but it was basically a breakdown of all of her assets and holdings, the name of each account, and also where she would want these accounts to go, who the designated beneficiaries are under those accounts. And then at the bottom, she had a list of her personal items, various jewelry, this type of diamond ring, and these types of earrings, et cetera, you know, great detail for where each item is going. And she also designated about $10,000 to a charitable institution. So I explained to her that I actually thought it was wonderful that she took the initiative to do this. One, because it made it much easier for her children and beneficiaries, really for her family, to know, what kind of holdings she had. Because how often is it that we see people passing away and their estate is in a complete disarray? It's chaos. We don't know where our parents or siblings' bank accounts are. We have no idea what sort of assets they have. We have to start going through their mail. We have to start going through their tax records. So this type of record keeping is such a wonderful idea to help get focused, figure out exactly what we have, and make it easier for those who survive us to inherit these accounts or these assets. And the second thing that I found was really helpful in her case was she has a small family. She has two daughters, and she wants to make things easier for them. She doesn't want her grandchildren who are inheriting, the various pieces of jewelry or whatever other minimal assets, or even the charitable organization. She doesn't want them to have legal rights under an estate, to have to sign a waiver when she passes away, to have to, be aware of the probate proceeding, get a copy of the will and consent to it, be notified of it. It's so much easier in many cases to have these, what we call precatory bequests, which in a separate piece of paper that is not a will, right, that wouldn't give these individuals any legal standing to inherit. But if you have a close relationship with your children, it's a relatively small family, everyone is friendly, how wonderful it is to avoid the complexities that are required in a probate proceeding. So I just wanted to share that with all of you. Hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.